Hello everyone. In our previous video we have started designing the layout for our header. Here you can see here this is our transparent and sticky header. Now let's start designing our home page similar to this one, similar to this template. Now let's go to pages, home page, edit the home page, and select the page attribute to Elementor full white, and then edit your page with Elementor. Yep. And then add a 2 column section here like this, and vertical alignment middle, and height, minimum height, view height about 90% like this. And let's go to the style, background. I have already uploaded this background image. I downloaded from pixels.com. You can buy or download from any photo stocks websites, or you can take your own photo. You can hire a photographer and take photos of your business. Let me set this one. Size, cover, attachment fix, repeat, no repeat, center like this. Then let's start adding header like this. New hairstyles like this. Then let's add break between these lines like this. And then color, for the color, let's pick the color here from here using Colorzilla. Okay, let's pick the color here using Colorzilla, and then paste here, Control B like this. And typography, size about 80, and line height 1.2 like this. Then another subtitle about high spot tag like this, color white. Okay, and then let's add another call to action button. Let's call it learn more. You can link to another page like services section below. Here you can link to this page, or about us page. Here you can let's link to this services section. If you want to link to another page, here you can just type service and select the services like this, or about, and you can link to about page like this. For us, let's link to services section. Okay, like this, and change the color. Here in the Colorzilla, copy clipboard, and this is the color. Control V like this. Okay, now we have designed our first section of our header like this. You can see now the header is displaying over our header. The next section is this about a section, and let's do it in the next video. Let's break down this video series bit by bit, small steps.